Good morning, students. This is question 6 of exercise 9.3 circles. This question is giving us that quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. In that cyclic quadrilateral, angle DBC is equal to 70, angle BAC is equal to 30, and side AB is equal to, this side AB is equal to BC. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Then we have to find ECD. We have to find ECD. This angle we have to find. So to find this, we are going to solve. What we will do in this question, this side AB is equal to BC. So angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So this will be 30. As we have this 30, this is 70. It is cyclic quadrilateral or DC is in code which is making one segment here. तो एक ही सेगमेंट में बने एंगल इक्वल होते हैं. सो डी बी सी इक्वल टू एंगल डी ए सी. This will be 70. DAC. Now 70 plus 30. We have angle A, that is 100. And then this is 30. We have to find only this. So we will use sum of either pair of cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180. Then we will get it. Let's write the solution. तो सबसे पहले तो हम लिखने वाले हैं इन ट्राइंगल ABC AB is equal to BC and this is given to us. और जब ये इक्वल है तो एंगल BAC is equal to एंगल BCA और दैट बोथ आर इक्वल टू 30. तो ये दोनों के दोनों 30 हो गए. BCA की जगह पे हम 30 यूज करें. नाउ एंगल DBC equal to DBC, this one equal to angle CAD or that both equal to 70. Here we will write angles in same segment. So this will be equal. अब जब ये दोनों 70 हो गए हैं तो वी विल राइट एंगल BAC प्लस एंगल CAD इक्वल टू एंगल BCA आइदर ACB BAC plus which we have to find ECD, or we can write for ACD also. So these are ECD. Here we will write sum of these are equal to 180. Sum of either pair of cyclic quadrilateral. तो इन सब का सम आई शुड पुट हियर सम सॉरी एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 180. तो BAC कितना है? BAC इज 30, CAD इज 70 प्लस BAC is also, this one was BCA. This is also 30 or that is not known. ECD इक्वल टू 180. इन सबको ऐड करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 130 प्लस ECD. सो एंगल ECD एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 180. इसको इस तरफ ट्रांसफ़र करोगे तो ECD इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 130. So as we will subtract, we will have 50, that is ECD. This is our answer, what we had to find. Thank you so much for watching it. Please hit the like button.